The hinges on my TARDISes were all about 1/4 of an inch. I had a top one and a bottom one at 1/4 inch, and I used a needle for the hinge pin. Matter of fact, one of the TARDISes is at my friend's house in the UK. RC Commander and his friend Sean, they both have TARDISes. But anyway, this is how they work, and they're super strong. And all this is part of a Q-tip to make that hinge with. You might be into what's that? Hey guys, I'm building this one right now. This is a Warthog monster truck for Halo. See how I built this here? All this? You have to do that with everything you build. Even the small stuff. Okay? Like this little tiny AT-AT walker that I got. It's not squishy because inside of it, I have the same thing. Same thing as this. I have it inside here. This build here, this Dragonfly, I used dried out iris petals to make the wings. It turned out really cool. If you want to make butterflies, that's the best way to do it. You just take a bunch of flowers, you pull the flower petals off and you dry them. Stick them between a couple of pages of a book. And you can build amazing things like this bug. It's all bendy wire. Bendy wire legs, bendy wire around the, matter of fact, you see this shape right here? That bottle, that exact bottle is what I bent this bendy wire around to make the shape of the wings. I do. Okay, where is it? Ah, there it is. Found it, Coach. Okay, everybody. This is the X-Men, the Blackbird from the X-Men. Now, this wing over here, that wing broke off, this wing broke off, and this wing broke off. I repaired them all just by gluing them back together. They're paper. So, can you fix your stuff? Yes, you can. I have fixed numerous things. The SR-71 Blackbird has been repaired twice. The ATST, this one, has been repaired twice. I had a leg break off it years ago. I had to put the leg back on. The Star Destroyer has been fixed numerous times. The Millennium Falcon has been fixed. And so, and there's others.